Hello, my fellow sneakerheads. This is Sneaker Resident Benjamin Scott. Welcome to the first episode of Sneaker Jamz Sneaker Rotation. And on today's first episode, guys, throughout my modeling career, I have worn every pair of casual sneakers for both runway shows and photo shoots. Today's the day where I can share you guys my sneaker rotation. But first things first, let's pay off some bills. This episode is brought to you in part by Soul Cleanse, the premium sneaker cleaning kit. It has everything you need to clean your sneakers. A sneaker cleaner solution, odor eliminator, 2 cleaning sneaker brushes, a cloth, and a carrying case. I tried this stuff out and my sneakers look so clean and so dope, no doubt. And if you want to purchase one, message Crush Jones on Facebook. His first name is capital K-R-U-S-H. Jones, J-O-N-E-Z. Not S, Z. And of course, you can like his Facebook page at the Soul Legacy Group. You can also follow him on Instagram at Soul_Legacy X, along with Twitter at Soul Legacy G1. Soul Cleanse. It makes your sneakers clean every day. Well, I'm glad we got that out of the way. Let's get down to some sneakers. Now, the sneakers I'm about to show y'all is the Reebok Pumps, the Miami Vice Reebok Pumps. Now, I got these back in 2015 at a sneaker store here in Chicago. And no doubt, it has a good price to it, too. I've been wearing these bitches since day one. No doubt about that. Even though they're a little beat up, but I can still wear them every day. Hell, I even danced in them, too. And I even worn them at my first photo shoot, where I became the model for the first time. It was so awesome, to wear my sneakers in one of my modeling pictures. I'm showing everybody that casual sneakers are the best in the fashion industry. No doubt about that. I mean that for real. When I mean for real, oh baby, I mean for real. And trust me, you definitely see me in more photo shoots and runway shows every day. Hey, I gotta love them. Now, the next pair of sneakers I'm about to show y'all is the Miami Vice Air Force Ones Lows. I got these shoes back in 2019 at a sneaker store, and let me tell you, I love the Miami Vice colors, the pink and the blue. I have worn these, when I go to work, and it's also NBA approval too, no doubt. And trust me, you'll definitely see me wear these in both runway shows and photo shoots. No doubt about that. And I mean that for real. When I mean for real, baby, I mean for real. I mean, what can I say? I'm a sneakerhead. And I'm still loving it. You definitely see me in these babies every day. No doubt. Now, the next pair of sneakers I'm about to show y'all is my Adidas Superstars. Yes. I got these back in 2019. And they look in great condition. I love the shell toe on the front of the shoe. And yes, I have worn them in my last photo shoot, last fall, that is, in 2019, where I was dressed up as one of the members of the Run DMC. I do love these sneakers, no doubt about that. These are one of my everyday sneakers, and I can still wear these in 2021 of this year, no doubt. For real. When I mean for real, baby, I mean for real. And I can rock them whatever casual outfit that fits me. No doubt. No doubt about that. Now, the next pair of sneakers I'm about to share to you guys, actually the last 2 pair of sneakers, this is dedicated to my mom, my late mom. Deborah and Connor, love you, mommy. I miss you, and I love you. She's my guardian angel for life, no doubt. Now, the sneakers I'm about to show y'all, here we go, is the Low Top AllStar Converse. One of my friends gave them to me this year as a present for this year. I have worn them with my red and black outfit. No doubt they look badass on me. I do love sneakers. They remind me of the red Converse my mom bought me back in '94. I was so little back then. I was a little boy. And I still wear Converse every day. No doubt. And trust me, you'll see me in both runway shows and photo shoots with these Converse I have here in my hands. No doubt, baby. No doubt about it. I'll definitely wear them suckers. Now, the last pair I'm about to show y'all, these I got on my mom's birthday. And this was a special dedication to her. The mid-top Chuck Taylors AllStar Converse. I got these on my mom's birthday in 2019. It was the best way to do a tribute to her. You know, Converse were my first pair of sneakers when I was a kid. No doubt about that. And now, I thought I'd do a little old school to wear these again one more time. And no doubt, I have worn them when I went to work. And trust me, you're going to see me wearing these in both runway shows and photo shoots. No doubt. I'll definitely wear them. For real. When I mean for real, baby. I mean for real. I love you, Mom. Thank you for the sneakers. And there you have it. My sneaker rotation of the day. Hey, what is your sneaker rotation? Let me know in the comments, and I'll definitely hit back. Thank you guys so much for watching the first ever episode of Sneaker Jam Sneaker Rotation. There will be more episodes throughout April, no doubt. Hey, you'll never know. Maybe I might show off my my Last Dance sneaker rotation collection. But that's for me to know and you to find out. Stay tuned to the next episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless y'all. Be safe and be well. And as always, this is Sneaker Resident Benjamin Scott saying, I'll see you guys next time. So God bless y'all. Peace. And always remember, lace them up and kick it with Sneaker Jam.